Today I want to show you how you can access free USDC transfers on Coinbase. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account and you go to the USDC page, all you have to do is go to the right hand side, type in how much you want to transfer. For me, I'm just going to do a test of 1 USDC. You would just have to type in the address and pick the blockchain you want. So from here, you can either copy your Ethereum address and paste it, or you could type it in. Now, if you have an ENS, it's very simple. And you can see that my address automatically came up after I typed in my ENS. So now that I have it clicked on and I have my address set, all I have to do is click preview send, and you can see that the network fee is free. Now here are all the networks that Coinbase supports for the free sends. So you can see we have Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Base. Now you're probably asking, why is this like this? Currently, Coinbase is offering a promotion. Now this is a great time for anyone who wants to try out different blockchains and applications. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions at all, post them down below in the comment section and I'll try to reply to them as soon as possible. Now if you enjoyed this video and this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video.